Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install and activate Crocoblock and then import this car dealer website. This is the demo of car dealer website. So let's get started. First go to Crocoblock website, then download Crocoblock widget from here. Look at here, download started. Download has completed. Now go back to our WordPress admin dashboard. Then click on plugin and then add plugin. Then upload plugin. Then choose file. Then select the plugin file from here and click on open. And then click on install now. And then click on activate plugin. And then click on let's go. Now we need to enter the license key here. So again go to Crocoblock website, then copy the license key from here and go back to our WordPress admin dashboard. Then paste the license key here and click on get started. Then select full Crocoblock installation and then install. Then pick cover theme from here and then use child theme and then click on continue. Now select car dealer template from here and click on start installation. Then select all and click on continue. It will take a few minutes. Now select append demo content to my existing content and then click on continue. This step also take a few minutes to complete it. Now click on continue and this step also take a few minutes. Congratulations, you are all set. That means the demo import has completed. So open this website in a new tab. Look at here, this is the car dealer website and looking very nice. If you need to install and activate Crocoblock and need to import car dealer website, check the link from video description. Thank you very much for watching this video.